The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. NASA has discovered that the hypergiant star named Stephenson 2.18 is expected to explode into a supernova within the next 3 hours. NASA has discovered that the gamma ray burst is on the verge of impacting the Earth. There is nothing we can do to stop this. Once the gamma ray strikes the Earth and will cause the extinction of all life on Earth, there is no way to escape from this cataclysm event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into complete panic mode. Gather your friends, family, kids, children, pets, and inject and prepare for the end. The national anthem will play for the final time. God bless America.